Tired of the same old blank canvas when you launch Adobe Illustrator? Let's dive into personalizing your workspace and creating custom starting points that'll supercharge your creative flow. First things first, let's talk about modifying your setup. Go to the Illustrator menu at the top left of your screen and select Preferences, then choose General. In the General Preferences, locate the box that reads New Document Profile. Click on that drop-down to see options. This is where you decide what type of new document you see when you initially open a document. You can choose between default, print, web, mobile, and others. Selecting one of these affects your initial workspace. With rulers and guides, these presets provide document sizes optimized for a range of design purposes. Want something more tailored? Go to File in the upper left corner and click New from Template. Here you'll see a bunch of different professionally designed pre-made templates you can use right away. This opens up a library of ready-made options, allowing you to instantly create something. Look around and see how they're set up. You can alter these to make your personalized template. Now you can create your own template, personalize it with your preferred color mode, units, and any default elements you frequently use, like a logo or specific guides. Then go to File. Select Save as Template, and give it a name. Now, when you open a new file, you can select your custom template, streamlining your workflow for future projects.